From News Channel 7, time for 7 First Alert weather.
Well, the one question that I get a lot, okay, is especially in the spring times, why is it so windy? Why are you forecasting more wind? Yeah, we've got more wind coming our way. Basically, if you look at the United States itself, it's what we call the mid-latitudes. And think about this, to the south of the tropics, the warmer air closer to the equator stays that way because the sun basically is over the equator, and then it starts moving up from the south as we have summer coming along. Now you have the cold air to our north. So springtime, as the earth continues to rotate, it starts moving the cold air to the north, meeting the warmer air to the south. And with that collision, pressure differences, temperature changes, we've got wind, okay? So that's why March and April is so windy. Maybe even a little portion of May until that sun starts working its way up north towards summer. Then it all starts to settle down. Warmer air comes up, and then the air to the north starts to retreat. So we've got more of these storms, and we've got more wind that will be coming in. But first of all, tomorrow is another nice day. You got 2 days before this all happens as you look outside here on Skycam 7. But for right now, from 11 o'clock, which is going to be Friday night, into early Saturday morning at 6 o'clock in the morning, we are looking at an advisory for wind once again. Winds about 25 to 35 miles an hour. Some gusts to 40 to 50 miles an hour. That will blow in more dust. There's just a slight chance of maybe a few sprinkles into Saturday morning. So just note that. If you can cover your car or whatever, it's only about a 20% chance for the valleys. So I don't think everyone's going to see it. But just to let you know that it could happen, bring that dust in again, then bring it down with a few light showers. Not as heavy as 2 days ago, though. So for tonight, let's talk about this fabulous weather. You see the temperatures are going to be cooling off, but for this evening, enjoy those 50s. Enjoy clear skies. As we move out here to the west, you can see the storm system right out along through here. Here's the cold front. Out ahead of it, the warmer air comes in, which is why we're going to get close to 80 degrees for Friday. But then, as you see, working in behind this comma shape, that's all the cold air. And that cold air is going to come in from the northwest. That's what's going to cause those winds Saturday morning. On Sunday, high temperatures will only be in the 40s. Yeah, so we've got a drop of over 30 degrees possible in about 24 to 48 hours. So for tomorrow, Twin Falls 66, Shoshone at 65 degrees. In most of your central mountains, just see Haley at 60 degrees for the high temperature. Stanley with 56 degrees for the high. Now here's McCall at 57. Donnelly with 61 degrees. Down here, most valley locations, temperatures will be into the lower 70s. Still pretty cold at night, though, so gardeners keep that in mind. Have you been around here for a while? You know it's a little early to get started, but protect things if you have. 33 is the low tonight, 31 for Mountain Home. High temperatures for tomorrow will be around 70 degrees. Now, take a look at the next 7 days. This is a spring pattern as you look at 74 tomorrow. Here's Friday at 78. Some spots could possibly hit 80 degrees. And then with the wind late Friday into Saturday morning, that temperature drops overnight to 34 with a high of 54 on Saturday. Sunday, a low of 30 with a high of 46. A chance of a shower on Monday. Now, not as much wind on Monday, but 51, 54 for Tuesday, and Wednesday at 57 degrees. Let me show you the good news in this as you look at this 10-day temperature trend. Even though we get the temperatures up here, and we love that, it comes down. And that means it's much colder in the mountains, and we're saving some of that precious snow that we have, even though we don't have big snowstorms. But let's hope on those in the future. And we're back with more in just a moment.